Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log in to Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device and tap Login. You can log in with your Facebook, Apple, or Google accounts, or you can type in your email address. I recommend the same method you used when you signed up. Here, I'm going to enter my email address and password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot your password and follow the instructions. Check the box next to Remember Me for an easier login next time. When done, tap Login. So that's how you log in to Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.